Hoopsparx here with my favorite move at the moment and a tutorial for you. I originally learnt this move from Emma Hornell. We're going to start by holding the hoop in a palm down grip and just giving it a swing so that it travels in a nice straight line in front of your toes. As it hits that 0 point, which is just before it falls back down, you want to let it come into your fingertips. So if I give you a little close up, we swing, fingertips, swing, fingertips. From there, we're going to practice doing a little backspin on the release. So backspin and just re-grab it for now, just to get that feeling of a backspin. So it's like you're pulling down, pulling down on the hoop. Pull it down, get some backspin. Okay, next step. Bring that arm out to the side and angle it slightly forward. The hoop is going to angle slightly back in towards the arm. So instead of swinging in a straight line, it's going to just swing slightly back. And what we want is we want to look for that connect point on the arm, thumb pointing down on the catching hand, and it will connect with your arm, flip over to the back, and you can catch just here. Flip and catch. Flip and catch. Backspin, connect, flip and catch. Sometimes you've got to bend that arm in to grab it if it's not quite going where you want. Okay, once you've got that, you can try it behind the back. So same thing, thumb pointing down, and we release up behind the back. When we release, when we do the back one, we bring our arm slightly back and our thumb points up for the catch. Thumb points up, arm angles slightly back, and we swing this down behind the back and release and catch. Let's do a slow-mo from the front and a slow-mo from the back. Slow-mo from the front, thumb pointing down, swing the hoop in front. And a slow-mo from behind, so the thumb is pointing up. A little bit of troubleshooting. One thing that I tend to do if it's looking like it's not going to connect with my arm at the front is I push my arm into the hoop as it's coming and back towards the hoop when it's going behind me as it's coming. So here, push forward a little bit to get that catch. From here, push back a little bit to get that catch. I'm going to turn away from you and go slow-mo from the front and slow-mo from behind. And there you have the skid. You can practice it on both sides, and the next tutorial I'm going to do takes this move and puts it into a twins move combined with a Z spin. So check that one out. If you like this, please click the subscribe button below and switch on your notifications so you find out about all the new tutorials that are coming at you from me. Happy hooping!